Welcome to the next-gen auto hub. The future of luxury has arrived, and once again, it bears the unmistakable three-point star. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class is not just a car, it's the embodiment of what the brand calls the best or nothing. For decades, the S-Class has stood as the global benchmark for refinement, innovation, and prestige, the car that defines what every other luxury sedan aspires to be. Now, in 2026, Mercedes-Benz reimagines this legend with intelligent electrification, next-generation technology, and an interior experience that feels more like a private first-class lounge than a vehicle. From the very first glance, the new S-Class captivates with presence and poise. The exterior has been subtly refined, combining elegance with aerodynamic mastery. The signature front grille is larger yet more sculpted, flanked by ultra-slim digital light LED headlamps capable of projecting patterns and warnings directly onto the road. The sleek silhouette glides from front to rear with sculpted precision, while flush door handles and new 21-inch turbine alloy wheels complete the futuristic aesthetic. The redesigned taillights, connected by an illuminated light strip, shimmer like jewelry, giving the S-Class a commanding nighttime identity. Every line serves a purpose, every curve whispers sophistication. Open the doors, and the world outside fades away. The cabin of the 2026 S-Class is a sanctuary of light, sound, and texture. It feels more like stepping into a luxury yacht or a designer penthouse than a sedan. Ambient lighting gracefully flows across the cabin, now adaptive to mood and driving conditions. The interior is wrapped in Napa leather, polished wood veneers, and brushed metal finishes that merge timeless craftsmanship with modern minimalism. A massive OLED infotainment screen sits proudly at the center, harmonized with a floating 3D digital instrument cluster and voice-activated controls powered by Mercedes' latest MBUX system. Everything responds naturally to the driver's voice or gesture, creating a seamless bond between human and machine. Rear passengers enjoy an equally indulgent experience. The extended wheelbase ensures limousine-like legroom, while reclining executive seats with massaging, heating, and cooling functions redefine comfort. The Burmester 4D surround sound system turns the cabin into a concert hall, using vibration feedback for an immersive listening experience. Even the air you breathe is curated, with the energizing air control system filtering and fragrancing the interior to perfection. In every sense, the 2026 S-Class delivers serenity that isolates its passengers from the chaos of the outside world. Beneath its elegance lies extraordinary power. The 2026 S-Class lineup combines performance and efficiency through advanced electrified drivetrains. The Flagship S580e plug-in hybrid pairs a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with a high-output electric motor, delivering over 510 horsepower and a pure electric range of up to 60 miles. For those who demand ultimate performance, the S684 Matic V12 remains the crown jewel, handcrafted by AMG, producing effortless torque and an unmistakable growl that reaffirms its dominance. Every S-Class comes equipped with Mercedes E-Active body control suspension, scanning the road ahead and adjusting in milliseconds to ensure a ride smoother than ever before. Technology defines the driving experience. Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities now allow hands-free operation in certain conditions, making the S-Class the most advanced semi-autonomous vehicle on the road. The augmented reality head-up display projects navigation and driving data directly onto the windshield, while night vision and adaptive safety systems continuously monitor surroundings. Parking, overtaking, and lane changes are executed with precision and grace. The car thinks faster than you can react. But beyond technology and performance, the 2026 S-Class is about emotion, the feeling of perfection realized. Every sound, every texture, every motion has been engineered to create a symphony of comfort and confidence. This car isn't about showing off, it's about showing restraint, refinement, and excellence in motion. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a luxury sedan. It's the standard bearer of modern opulence, a masterpiece of intelligence and art. It represents more than 70 years of progress, innovation, and leadership in automotive excellence. From chauffeur-driven comfort to driver-focused performance, it stands as the pinnacle of what a luxury car should be, where power meets grace, and technology meets soul. The S-Class doesn't follow the future, it defines it.